Welcome back, viewers. Our top focus right now is the INDIA alliance, where it looks like there's a big rift which has come out in the open. The growing cracks, as I was telling you earlier, are out in the open. There are allegations of poor leadership within the coalition that seems to have surfaced, and a political storm also has begun. The Samajwadi Party has targeted the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Now, it was a tweet by Samajwadi Party leader IP Singh, which has now been deleted, that has escalated and has really been the genesis of this entire controversy today. He had claimed that under Rahul Gandhi's leadership, the opposition bloc seems to be falling and failing. Now, he also alleged Akhilesh Yadav should take over as LOP. He accused Rahul Gandhi, believe it or not, of ineffective leadership. Now, this open attack on Rahul Gandhi coming from an ally has triggered a massive war of words. This is coming amidst reports which are surfacing of tensions within the INDIA alliance, which have left many to question if the coalition is at the brink of an implosion. Are we going to see a breakup in the team INDIA next? Okay, Adeeb is live with us on the broadcast. Adeeb, if I could come to you, talking about, this tweet which has been posted by IP Singh. Take us through exactly what IP Singh had to say, and has there been any reaction by the Congress party on this big attack which has come from the side of IP Singh?
We'll see. IP Singh made it on his social media post that Rahul Gandhi has totally failed as leader of opposition, as he has not been leading the issues related to the public, and he has completely failed at that, and he should leave the post of leader of opposition, and that particular post should be given to Akhilesh Yadav. That was the demand made by IP Singh, but hours later he deleted that post. Now the Congress party has attacked the Samajwadi Party and IP Singh. They are calling IP Singh a member of RSS, saying that IP Singh is a member of RSS. He is sitting in the Samajwadi Party and he is doing the work of BJP. So this is how, Meenakshi, the Congress party has slammed IP Singh and Samajwadi Party. In fact, the Congress party also went on to say that Akhilesh Yadav should take action on IP Singh for the kind of remarks that he's making against the Congress party leader Rahul Gandhi on his social media. Now we have the ministers from BJP in Uttar Pradesh also. They are saying that the IP Singh, he knows about the Sanatan, and they are saying that we congratulate IP Singh for what he has said. And they are saying that the alliance which was formed between Rahul Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, the alliance was just for the self-interest of both these individuals. And now when their self-interest is colliding with each other, so now this alliance will come apart. And the statements being given by these party members only shows their desperation. So this is how the BJP is now taking a jibe at Samajwadi Party and Congress Party over the tweet of IP Singh, the Samajwadi Party leader.
Adeep, you do stay with us, because a fierce war of words also has erupted. That war of words has begun within the opposition bloc with sharp exchanges which have happened between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. The Congress has hit back and they have defended Rahul Gandhi's leadership. They have claimed that the INDIA has performed rather well under his guidance and that he was appointed as the leader of opposition, which was based on the strength of his party's position in the Lok Sabha. Now, the comments don't seem to have stopped there. They've also accused IP Singh of being a representative of RSS. They've urged Akhilesh Yadav to take immediate action within the party to prevent further damage. Listen in.
राजनीति में रंगे सियार तो सभी ने देखे हैं, लेकिन IP सिंह जैसा RSS का जो एक नुमाइंदा है, जो समाजवादी पार्टी में बैठ करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी का काम करता है, मुझे लगता है कि IP सिंह को अपना इलाज कराने की आवश्यकता है, क्योंकि ये मानसिक रूप से विक्षिप्त हो चुका है और मानसिक रूप से दिवालिया हो चुका है। पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव जी से निवेदन करना चाहूंगा कि ऐसे निकृष्ट मानसिकता वाले व्यक्ति पर कार्रवाई कब करेंगे कि राहुल गांधी जी आसमान हैं और आसमान पर थूकने वालों को ये पता होना चाहिए कि थूक पलट कर उनके ऊपर ही गिरता है।
Congress is having the major enough number to be Rahul Gandhi is because Rahul Gandhi become leader of opposition with anybody's mercy. Rahul Gandhi become the leader of opposition by our strength, Congress party strength. He will continue.
The very statement itself is not in good health of Samajwadi Party. Under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji, India Alliance did very well, exceedingly very well, and Samajwadi Party also got 37 seats. So this will not only weaken Samajwadi Party, but a fight against communal and dictatorial forces, and fight for saving the constitution and democracy. And Rahul Gandhi is the only towering leader in the country, not only in the country but in the world. Even the world is looking up at him.
Okay, Niyamika is also live with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, this is not confined obviously to Uttar Pradesh. The statements which have been made have a ramification on the larger INDIA bloc. BJP already is using these statements to attack the team opposition, saying that their breakup is imminent, that the opposition does not respect Rahul Gandhi. These statements, these attacks, the BJP says, are a vote of no confidence in Rahul Gandhi. How's the Congress reacting to it?
Well, there are sharp attacks which are coming in on the part of the Congress party, and recently we have seen that how Mr. IP Singh is not just being called as a RSS agent, but also many of the leaders are also saying that Mr. Akhilesh Yadav cannot become the leader of opposition because he doesn't have a presence out of Uttar Pradesh, as it was the Delhi Congress leader and the ex-member of parliament, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, who has responded over the same, and he has said that if we talk about Rahul Gandhi, he has a presence all across the country. He is basically the leader of 100 MPs of the Congress party in the Lok Sabha. But if we talk about Akhilesh Yadav in particular, then he doesn't have the presence even in the neighboring state, which includes Bihar, Haryana, or even in Delhi. And for that reason, he has said that Rahul Gandhi deserves to become the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. However, we would also like to mention here that this is not the very first time when such kind of a claim is being made by an opposition leader, as earlier also we have seen that how other India bloc parties has also made this claim that instead of Rahul Gandhi, some other leader should take up this particular position, to which the Congress party earlier has also attacked. But it has clearly given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the unity of the India alliance, because earlier we have seen that how many of the leaders were not really happy with Rahul Gandhi becoming the leader of opposition. Even the last parliament session also, we have seen that many of these India bloc parties have also made a complaint that there is not a proper coordination amongst these India bloc parties if we talk about the parliament strategy in particular. And now these remarks which are coming in on the part of Samajwadi Party has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the unity and the integrity of the India bloc, India alliance in particular, as we have seen that how the Congress party is also responding very strongly over this entire matter, because they are saying that Rahul Gandhi has become the leader of opposition only because of the strength in the Lok Sabha which Congress party is having there, and no other party can have its leader of opposition there. On the other side, it is the Samajwadi Party leader, Mr. IP Singh, who has made this claim that Rahul Gandhi is not being able to raise the matters which are related to the ground reality, which are the real issues of this country. And for that reason, he had said that it would be really better for the entire India bloc if Samajwadi Party leader, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, would take up this position, because it will also make the entire opposition much stronger as compared to the present position there.
Well, absolutely. Why don't you stay with us, because we have more breaking news coming in, more reactions. War of word doesn't seem to be ending, viewers. It's only escalating and intensifying after battling, batting for Akhilesh as the LOP. Now it's SP's Ram Gopal Yadav who has slammed IP Singh. He has said that no comments are going to be made on such fools. That's the latest coming in. More reactions, war of words increasing.
सपा प्रवक्ता आईपीसी कह रहे हैं विपक्ष के नेता राहुल गांधी को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और अखिलेश यादव को बना देना चाहिए विपक्ष के नेता। क्या कहेंगे इस पर? हम ऐसे मूर्ख की बातों पर कमेंट नहीं करना चाहते। सपा प्रवक्ता आईपीसी कह रहे हैं विपक्ष के नेता राहुल गांधी को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए और अखिलेश यादव को बना देना चाहिए विपक्ष के नेता। क्या कहेंगे इस पर? हम ऐसे मूर्ख की बातों पर कमेंट नहीं करना चाहते।
Okay, I'm not going to comment on such fools as what he says, SP versus SP. That seems to be another turn which this story seems to be taking. Obviously, it looks like, amidst obviously all the furor, BJP hitting back, and obviously the debate which it has escalated after that, it looks like SP top leaders want to distance from these comments. Perhaps, they want to project that these are one leader's personal comment. But BJP seems to suggest that this is not a particular leader's comment. This is not a personal opinion of one person. This is a vote of no confidence far as the INDIA bloc is concerned in Rahul Gandhi. INDIA is not confident of Rahul Gandhi's leadership. That's the takeaway which the BJP seems to be taking from these statements which have been made, the tweet or the post which had been put out by IP Singh. At the moment, again, viewers, we'd like to reiterate and tell you all that that post has been deleted, but we have reactions coming in. Dinesh Pratap Singh also reacting. Listen in.
समाजवादी पार्टी कह रही है कि राहुल गांधी को एलओपी का पद त्याग देना चाहिए। उन्होंने जमीन से जुड़े जो मुद्दे थे वो कहीं पहुंचाए नहीं और अखिलेश यादव को वो पद दे देना चाहिए। क्या लगता है कि ये जो अलायंस है इनका टूटने की कगार पे है?
दोनों ने अलायंस सोच समझ कर किया था, कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी के लोगों ने। तो उत्तरदायी तो दोनों समान रूप से हैं, क्योंकि दोनों ने बारी बारी से अपने स्वार्थ के लिए ऐसे गठबंधन किए हैं और गठबंधन कई बार हुए और कई बार टूटे। हम उत्तर प्रदेश वासियों ने बड़े करीब से देखा है, कभी यूपी के दो लड़के गठबंधन हो जाता है, कभी बुआ बबुआ का गठबंधन हो जाता है, और कभी इस प्रकार के जो गठबंधन देखे हैं उनका अस्तित्व तो थोड़े दिन का ही रहता है, क्योंकि इन गठबंधनों में नीतियों में समानता नहीं है, विचारों में समानता नहीं है। सब अपने अपने स्वार्थों के लिए गठबंधन करते हैं। जैसे स्वार्थ पूरा हो जाता है वैसे गठबंधन टूट जाता है। तो अब मुझे लग रहा है कि स्वार्थ दोनों का टकरा रहा है। उत्तर प्रदेश के लोग किसके साथ जुड़े, कोई सोच रहा होगा अगर कांग्रेस बढ़ जाएगी तो मेरा नुकसान हो जाएगा, कोई कांग्रेस के लोग सोच रहे हैं सपा बढ़ जाएगी तो हमारा नुकसान हो जाएगा। तो अब अपने नुकसान फायदे के हिसाब से गठबंधन कर रहे हैं। देशवासियों के, उत्तर प्रदेश वासियों के हिसाब से गठबंधन नहीं हो रहे हैं, इसलिए गठबंधन टूट ही जाएंगे, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। और मुझे खुशी है, वैसे तो अधिकृत समाजवादी पार्टी की ओर से ऐसा कोई बयान नहीं आया है, लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता हैं श्री IP सिंह जी, उनका बयान जरूर आया है। और मुझे खुशी है कि समाजवादी पार्टी के कुछ लोगों में भारतीय संस्कार संस्कृति की स्वीकारोक्ति हो रही है, स्वीकार कर रहे हैं कि सही दिशा यही है, हमको भारतीय संस्कार संस्कृति के साथ ही चलना चाहिए और जो इसके इतर चलेगा उसका अस्तित्व तो नष्ट हो जाएगा। तो IP सिंह जी ने जो निर्णय लिया है उचित है, मैं उन्हें शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और आशा करता हूं कि अपनी पूरी पार्टी को भारतीय संस्कार संस्कृति के साथ जीना और सेवा करना दोनों सिखाने का काम करेंगे।
कांग्रेस पार्टी कह रही है कि IP सिंह RSS के हैं और वो समाजवादी पार्टी में रह के बीजेपी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं।
बहुत लोग कांग्रेस में रह करके बीजेपी का काम कर रहे हैं। अगर राहुल गांधी जी के नेता प्रमोद तिवारी जी राहुल गांधी की नीति के विपरीत गंगा में डुबकी लगाते हैं तो उनके ऊपर भी राहुल गांधी कल कह दें कि ये भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं प्रमोद तिवारी जी, तो राहुल जी क्या कहेंगे इस पर। वैसे तो मैं छोटा सा कार्यकर्ता हूं अपनी पार्टी का, राहुल गांधी अपनी पार्टी के मालिक हैं और मैं अपनी पार्टी के नेतृत्व का छोटा सा कार्यकर्ता हूं, मैं नेता नहीं हूं। लेकिन मैं ये बात जरूर कह सकता हूं कि बात राहुल गांधी जी कैसी बात कब कह देंगे, अब उसको देश गंभीरता से नहीं लेता है।
अच्छा, आने वाले समय में सरकार, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार
Okay, we just heard what Dinesh Pratap Singh had to say. Ameek Jamai has also reacted. Listen in, viewers.
पा रहे हैं, जनता के मुद्दे नहीं लेके जा रहे हैं, अखिलेश यादव को नेता विपक्ष होना चाहिए। क्या समाजवादी पार्टी का यही स्टैंड है?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि आदरणीय राहुल गांधी जी इस देश के LOP हैं और ये इंडिया ब्लॉक ने तय किया। और माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी, आदरणीय राहुल जी, देश के सभी राष्ट्रीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गंभीर मुद्दों पर हमारी बातचीत है, समन्वय है और इन हमारे दो बड़े नेताओं में आपस में बहुत ही सोलिडैरिटी, बहुत समझदारी इस देश को लेकर है। ऐसा कोई बयान हमारे किसी प्रवक्ता ने दिया है मेरी निगाह में अभी तक आया नहीं, लेकिन बहुत ही सेंसिटिव होकर ऐसे समय में जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी और RSS चाहते हैं कि किसी तरह से कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन पैदा हो जाए। लेकिन माननीय अखिलेश जी ने और आदरणीय राहुल जी ने जो संबंध भारत के संविधान, भारत के समाजवादी भविष्य, भारत की डेमोक्रेसी के लिए जो रिश्ते बनाए हैं, ये बातें बहुत छोटी हैं।
बंगाल में टीएमसी कह रही है कि
All right, those were the reactions coming in. War of words escalating. We'll keep an eye on this big story through the course of the day. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.